I want to say something, but my hands are shaking. I feel so nervous.
It's okay. Take a slow breath. I'm listening. What happened?
Sir, today I have my class presentation. Everyone will be looking at me, and I feel afraid to speak English.
I understand. You're scared because you think people will judge you or laugh, right?
Yes, sir. Whenever I speak, my voice shakes. My words disappear. I feel like everyone is waiting for my mistakes.
You know, almost every student feels this way at the beginning. You're not alone at all.
Really, sir? I always thought I'm the only weak one.
No. Even I was nervous when I started speaking English years ago. It's normal. Fear is part of learning.
But, sir, when I try to speak, my classmates stare at me. I feel shy. I feel like running away.
Nervousness means you care about doing well. It shows you want to speak correctly, and that is a good thing.
Then, sir, how do I stop feeling scared?
First, accept that mistakes are normal. Everyone makes them. Even native speakers make mistakes.
But when others laugh, it makes me feel small. I lose my confidence.
You know, when a baby learns to walk, does the baby fall?
Yes, many times.
And do we laugh at the child or help them stand?
We help them stand, of course.
Exactly. Speaking English is the same. You might fall a few times, but every time you speak, you grow stronger.
I never thought about it like that, sir.
Remember, the goal is not perfection. The goal is expression.
But, sir, my pronunciation is not good.
Pronunciation improves with time, but confidence grows from the heart, not the tongue.
Confidence starts from the heart. I like that, sir.
Good. Now, tell me, what scares you the most about today's presentation?
Sir, I think I will forget my sentences. I will stop in the middle. Everyone will think I'm foolish.
That is fear speaking, not you. Focus on what you can do.
But, sir, some classmates speak so fast, so perfectly. I feel I'm not good enough.
Everyone learns at their own pace. Some speak fast, but that doesn't mean they are better. You are learning with honesty. That is more powerful than speed.
Sir, when you talk like this, I feel a little better.
Good. Now tell me, what is your presentation about?
My daily routine. I wrote everything, but I don't know how to say it in front of everyone.
Don't worry. We will practice together. But first, we relax. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to speak.
Scene transitions into deeper emotional comfort and motivation.
When you think about your classmates, what do you feel?
I feel they are smarter than me, and they will think my English is funny.
That is your mind playing tricks. Most of them are too busy with their own thoughts. They're not judging you.
Are you really sure?
Absolutely. When you speak confidently, people focus on your words, not your mistakes.
So I should speak confidently even if I'm not perfect?
Exactly.
Sometimes I think I will never speak English like you.
And I used to think the same about my teachers. I made countless mistakes, but I never stopped speaking.
Sir, how did you stop being afraid?
Small steps. I talked to my friends, then teachers, then bigger groups. Each time I spoke, my fear became smaller.
So, practice removes fear?
Practice is the medicine for fear.
Sir, I want to be confident like you.
And you will be. Confidence is not a gift. It's a skill you build slowly.
Starts present continuous training naturally.
So let's take one small step today. Tell me what is happening right now.
I am talking to you.
Perfect. That's present continuous. Don't worry about rules yet.
Even this small practice makes me feel less scared.
That's the magic of speaking. The more you speak, the less fear you feel.
Sir, I think I can speak in class today if you are near me.
I will be near you in your mind. Every sentence you speak, remember my words. Confidence starts from your heart.
Confidence building psychology section. Sir, my heart beats fast when I speak. My mind goes blank.
That's because you're trying to speak perfectly. Let me tell you a secret. Even excellent speakers make mistakes. They just don't stop.
So, I should keep talking even if I make a mistake?
Exactly. Smile, correct yourself, and continue.
I like this approach. It feels lighter.
Good. Now take a slow breath. In, out, and smile.
I am speaking slowly.
Another present continuous sentence. See? You're improving naturally.
Long descriptive training to extend duration.
Let's describe this moment. What is happening in this room?
I am sitting on my chair. You are standing near the board. The fan is moving. Students are reading their notes.
Excellent. You're noticing everything.
Sir, this is easier than I thought.
When you are in the present moment, fear disappears.
Role play sections for length. Very important for a 30-minute video.
Role play 1. Imagine you are at home studying. Describe it.
I am reading my notes. I am writing important points. I am preparing for my exam.
Great.
Role play 2. Kitchen. I am cooking dinner with my mother. We are talking and laughing. Role play 3. Park. I am walking on the grass. Children are playing. Birds are singing. The sky is glowing. Preparing for presentation. Confidence visualization. I am standing in my class. I am holding my notes. I am smiling. My classmates are listening. Some students are smiling back at me.
Good. How do you feel?
I am feeling brave. I am speaking clearly. Student grows stronger. Sir, can I try a paragraph?
Go ahead.
I am standing in my class. I am giving my presentation. My friends are listening. My teacher is watching proudly. I am not afraid now. I am speaking with confidence.
Wonderful. You're becoming stronger every minute.
Family scene to extend a script naturally.
What is your family doing right now?
My mother is cooking. My father is reading. My brother is watching TV. My sister is playing.
Excellent. You can describe anything now.
Motivational peak. Sir, I think I am not the same scared girl anymore.
No, you're not. You're learning courage.
When I speak now, I can hear my voice clearly.
That's because confidence reveals your real voice.
Presentation day, final scene, long emotional climax.
Today is the big day. Are you ready?
Yes, sir. I am nervous but excited. I am breathing slowly. I am thinking positive things.
Good. Now go and speak.
I am standing in my class. I am opening my notebook. I am starting my speech. I am telling them my daily routine. I am speaking clearly. My classmates are smiling. They are listening. No one is laughing. I am feeling strong.
You're doing it.
I am finishing my speech. They're clapping. I am smiling so much. I can't believe it. I am confident. I am proud. Ending transformation. Sir, everyone said good job to me. I am so happy.
You deserved it.
Sir, I want to tell other shy students something.
Go ahead.
If you are afraid to speak, it's okay. Start small. Practice daily. Say, I am learning. I am speaking. I am improving. Don't stop. You can do it.
Beautiful.
Sir, now I am not hiding anymore. I am showing my real voice.
And that is true success.
I am learning every day. I am growing. I am believing in myself. I am confident. I am speaking from my heart.